Sir, in terms of scalability, how scalable is the fund or the strategy as a whole? Is it that beyond a certain point of AUM, would there be any constraints? Any comments on these?
We are miles away from that. Miles, and our company name is 26 miles, but probably in terms of max, we'll be 1,000 miles away from that. See, what has happened in the market if you see that way, right? 2008 happened, and 2008 created a lot of depression in the market. Follow up, a lot of quantitative easing happened, which in a layman terms means a lot of money printing happened across the world, across countries. And eventually, all this liquidity will find its way to markets. So if you see today, on an average daily volume in top 20, 30 exchanges of the world is in $1 trillion. The liquidity happening, I'm not talking about AUM, I'm talking about daily traded liquidity is in more than $1 trillion. More than $1 trillion. So if even I am, let's say, running a $100 billion fund, a $100 billion fund will typically trade what, 500 billion, 400 billion in a day. Then also I'll not be even 3-4% of total volume happening in the world. 2 days, market will explode from here further. So this crazy liquidity, crazy volumes happening in the market. There are firms who are participating at a crazy volume. I know firms who do 200 billion, $300 billion volume every day today. So I don't think the limit is something that we're thinking right now.
Okay.
Because we are far away from that. Far away from that. For us right now, the only focus is to improve our product, to add exchanges, to make our communication more easy from our investment perspective, from our perspective as well. Because if it's become aligned for both us and investor, we believe this is a long-term journey that we will do with our investors. And I think size-wise, there's no limit here. There's no limit here.
Great. So I think the key takeaway for our clients/investors is that they can certainly look at 26 Miles Capital as their long-term asset management partner on the global quant trading side or for the next 20 years or more.